Hello everyone. I hope you all are good. So today, let's make this gorgeous and crispy Goan prawns potato chops. Let's start without wasting any more time. I have taken these fresh prawns here, around 18 to 20 big size prawns, weighing approximately 200 grams after cleaning and deveining. We need to chop these prawns into fine pieces like this. I'll keep them aside now. Now, in a pan, add a tablespoon of oil. Next, add 2 medium-sized onions finely chopped and a teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Saute this until onions turn translucent. You can see our onions have turned translucent now. I'm going to add 1 small size tomato finely chopped, some salt, mix well. Cover and let tomatoes cook until they turn soft. Our tomatoes have also cooked now. Let's add in some spices. 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, half a teaspoon red chili powder and 1 teaspoon garam masala. Saute all these spices on a low flame for a minute or two. Now, let's add this minced prawns. Combine these prawns nicely with all the spices. We will cover and let the prawns cook for 3 to 4 minutes. Prawns don't take a lot of time to cook, and that too they are finely chopped. You can see our prawns have nicely cooked with all the spices. The mixture is actually smelling very yummy. At the end, garnish with some fresh coriander and a teaspoon of lemon juice. Mix this really nicely and let it cool down completely. Now, I've pressure cooked around 5 medium-sized potatoes for 2 whistles. I'll take off the peels and mash them with a potato masher, or you can even use a fork. So, our minced potatoes are ready. I'll season this with some salt, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, half a teaspoon red chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper powder, and some chopped coriander. Give this a good mix. Now, some people just season it with salt and pepper. I've added turmeric powder and red chili powder for some added flavors. You can skip if you wish to. Our flavorful minced potatoes are ready. I'm going to break open 1 egg, add a pinch of salt and mix nicely. Now, I'm greasing my palms with some oil for easy binding of our potato chops. Take a spoonful of minced potatoes and form a thick patty like this on your palms. Add some prawn stuffing and gently cover it. If you're finding it difficult to bind minced potatoes, you can refrigerate the minced potatoes for 30 to 45 minutes or add a tablespoon of rice flour to it. Give it a nice cutlet shape like this. Dip it in a beaten egg and coat it nicely. And finally, coat it with semolina or rava. You can even use breadcrumbs if you have. So I have got these prawns potato chops ready after coating in rava. I have heated some oil in a pan. We will start shallow frying these chops. Keep the flame medium and fry on one side for about 2 to 3 minutes. Once fried on one side, flip on the other side and again let them fry for about 2 to 3 minutes on a medium flame. You can see our prawns potato chops have got a nice color and have also become very crispy. Enjoy these tasty and crispy prawns potato chops with ketchup or mayonnaise. Give this video a thumbs up if you like the recipe. And do not forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you again in my next video. Until then, thanks for watching. Bye bye.